Hi, this is Patrick from Mission Bay, and welcome to another episode of You Need This. We're going to be taking a look at one of our new drones that we just got into beta. It's called the Shift Red by This Is Engineering. It's a great product, super light, very reasonably priced, and it has amazing things like 720p streaming, 1080p video recording. It also has about 15 to 17 minutes worth of flight time on each charge. And the cool thing is it does not have to be attached to your phone like most drones. Now let's take a look at how it flies. Another great thing about it is all the different modes it has. It has tracking mode, it has all kinds of different modes, and I would definitely recommend coming down to a beta store or going on beta.com to look at all of those options.